Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Cater Tots, that's me. And this is another part of my unboxing series on my channel. I have a few subscriptions that I have, like Ipsy, F.F.F Funbox, and I just want to show everybody what I got. And I like these because you can customize them how you want. Like there are some you can pick like one item, and then other ones like the F.F.F Funbox, which I think is $49.99, but after shipping it's like $52.61 is what I pay for. It's 4 times a year, so once a season. So this time I got the winter box, and I really like the boxes they have because like they're super cute. Like this has a lady walking her dog, and this one's like some houses in the snow. And you can tell this is a pretty big box of goodies. Yes, it sends it to you 4 times a year, so like spring, summer, fall, winter. So this is the winter box. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what I got. So when you open it, even the inside of it is beautiful. And then it has like a magazine in it, the F.F.F magazine. Doesn't tell you what's in the box though, which is kind of nice. Just their own little magazine. They always send like HelloFresh code cards in here. There's one literally in every box I've gotten. I prefer to go to Walmart and get my food. So then they send a little, get started with a $15 off your first box. So you can like give this to a friend. It has a little code on it. Hey dog. So let's go ahead and get right into the box. The first thing I see is actually one of the items I picked. Both items that I picked I think are right here on top, which I'm really excited about because my dogs ate my Walmart slides. They were really cute. They were sparkly. They were comfy, so if I needed to check them out, take the trash out, put them on. But my dogs ate them. So this was the item that I picked. It is a pair of, This is the item I picked. It is a pair of slippers with fuzzy stuff inside. So yes, there are, I think, 3 items in the F.F.F Funbox that you can pick from, like that you get to pick out of the items. The return of the cheesy poofs. So yes, this is the first item. This is one item that I picked out. Are you done? It's my boyfriend, Kapopolis Chavez. Okay, so another item that I think this is one of the things that I picked is a, what are these? It's a beanie with a little fluffy ball on the top. It is by Rebecca Minkoff, and these slippers were PJ Salvage. Cool. And yes, like not like their stuff isn't like F.F.F Fun brand. It's literally like different brands. Like my summer box, I got a Kate Spade lunchbox. Like you get all kinds of cool stuff. Oof, this retails for $70. Oh, I know what these are. You stick your hand in there like that. Now ain't that cute, Dave? Dave says no. Sorry, Dave. I wanted your opinion. So it was the second item that I picked out. I can't remember what items that I picked. This one's kind of cute because it's called Original Pink Makeup Eraser. In the shape of an actual pink eraser. It is vegetarian and vegan friendly, environmentally friendly, cruelty free, EU approved, and hypoallergenic, and dermatologist approved. #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. The makeup remover I use is the Walmart grapefruit wipes. I just like the way they smell, the way that makes my skin feel, and the fact that I can go like this and it wipes off all my face. So what you do with this... Oh, you can wash this 1 to 2 times per week. So you wet, erase, exfoliate. Let's open it. I'm a little disappointed. It's not an actual eraser. But it is kind of funny. Oh, okay. Bye-bye makeup wipes forever. Thank you for joining our movement. Purchases helping eliminate 3rd most wasteful product in the world. Wipes. This is actually like really cute. It's like a really... Hi, Steve. Boop. High five. Shake. Good boy. Would you like to come here? Hi. So this is actually like a little, I want to say like velvety, soft fleece feeling. Like you can kind of, I feel like my dog would love to chew up this because this is the fabric they like to chew on. So it's a makeup remover rag, which that's actually pretty cool. Hi Dave, what are you doing? Are you watching your dad? So as the 3rd item, I think I picked this one, but I'm not for sure. On to the 4th item is a Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. It is 5 fluid ounces. Don't know if you can see it. It's very shiny in here. Protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 Celsius. Mist generously on damp hair and brush through before blow drying. Or spray onto dry bangs, fringe, and reblow to freshen up your look. So it's got biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. Nice. Okay. And I don't know how much this normally is. I'm assuming you would shake it first. It's like kind of, it's actually like a really pretty color. It's like a rose milky color. It's kind of like that antibiotic you would take when you had strep as a kid. That actually didn't taste too bad. So that was the 4th item. The next item is by LXMI. Pure Nilotica Melt. Nourishing Balm to Oil. USDA Organic. What is this? Squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Uses an overnight face mask or throughout the day where needed. Suggest around eyes, on lips, and in dry patches. I'm going to open it. It's got a little seal on it. That's good. Hi, Dave. Ew. That kind of looks gross. It's really thick. Ooh, that feels like cream of wheat. My hands are always very dry, so it smells like cream of wheat. It feels and looks and smells like cream of wheat in a tube. But look how shiny my hand is now. Look at that shimmer. Makes my skin soft. Greasy feeling, but soft. Kind of don't like that. I am a texture and smell person. Ooh. So the next item we have in the F.F.F Fun Box is a Hava Dead Sea Salt. Natural Dead Sea bath salts. It's 11 ounces. It's a little pouch. Rich in skin-friendly minerals, including magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, and more. Dissolve 1 to 2 packets. That doesn't make sense. This is one giant packet. Would you dump the whole thing in there? If you have high blood pressure, consult with your physician before use. Do not use on damaged skin. Not to be used for children under 3. Avoid eye contact. Cool. I like bath salts. So that's that item. The next item should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 7th item in the box is Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. It includes age-defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal eye. It says it's dermatologist tested and ophthalmologist tested. So there's 6 of the 0.9 fluid ounce, 6 of the 0.9 ounce liquid, 1 of the 0.17 fluid ounce, and 1 of the 0.17 ounce liquid. So we're supposed to renew, soothe, and hydrate. Let's just open this and see what it looks like. And as you guys can tell, I have a new Harry Potter item right here. We did a Secret Santa at my job, and my Secret Santa got me a personalized Slytherin stocking. So it was probably like the coolest thing I've ever seen. So I decided that I wanted to hang it with my other Slytherin-y stuff. Okay, so these are coming in like sheets. Oh, cool. It comes with a little, nice. Cool. And it gives you a little card that tells you which one's which. Like Saturday's renewal eye mask, Friday exfoliating, Thirsty Thursday is hydrating type thing. And then it gives you a code for 25% off your next order at karunaskin.com. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram. And then you can tag them in the Karuna selfie hashtag. So this is the little renewal eye mask. They're little different colors. Let's see. This one is exfoliating. I kind of like that there's different ones. Like hydrating, I get dry skin really bad, so that'd be pretty nice. Age defying. People tell me I look like I'm 12, so I don't really think I need that one. Antioxidant. What is that for? Gives tired skin a glowing appearance. Okay, I need that one. Brightening. Definitely need that. Gently exfoliates dead skin. Nice. And what do we have here? A clarifying. Clarifies clogged skin by deep cleaning pores. Nice. Okay, so that was the 7th item. I feel like that might be it, but let me kind of move this. Wow, that's it. There's only 7 items in this box this time. That's kind of disappointing, because I think the last time I had more items. But they're different every time, and I think it depends on what you choose for your box, like the value-wise. Because, like, I picked the $70 beanie. But, like, the fact that I got an entire box, including shipping, for $52.61, and I got a $70 beanie set that still had the tag on it, slippers, a whole box of face masks. At the end of the video or in the description, I'm gonna look up the actual prices of these items because I don't have a way handy to see exactly like how much, like, is this box worth it. To me, I've gotten summer, fall, and winter so far. I had signed up right before we moved into our apartment. Maybe, did I get a spring one? Karen, what are you doing? Good girl. But yeah. So go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what kind of stuff you guys like to see, or if you've tried these products, how they worked for you. I'm gonna go ahead and find how much everything is, the value of it, and I'll just put it at the end of the video or in the description. That way you guys can find it if you want to order it, or if you want to sign up for FabFitFun. I think it's a great deal. I have not had any issues with it yet. I've gotten lots of products. I've gotten like face products. I am disappointed that this wasn't in the shape of an eraser, but that might actually, if this works, I won't have to buy makeup wipes anymore, which I don't have any out here, but I do love makeup wipes. For me, I'm terrified of getting water on my face. I'm terrified of drowning. That's basically what it is. So that's why I like the makeup wipes, because I literally just wipe my face with it, not put some cleanser on and like sploosh water in my face. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're considering FabFitFun, I personally like it. If you've gotten it before and you didn't like it, go ahead and comment down below why you didn't like it, or if it was just one specific thing in there that you didn't like. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great Christmas.